Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of downloading and installing AI2Word, the app that converts your AI-generated content into perfectly formatted Word and HTML documents with clean math equations and beautiful structure. This is an important video, so make sure you follow every step carefully till the end. To begin, open your browser and navigate to ai2word.zimist.com. I've also added the download link in the description below to make it easier for you. Once you're on the page, look for the button that says Download AI2Word. Go ahead and click on it. This will automatically scroll you down to the download section of the page. Now click on Download Now. Your download should start immediately. Just wait a few seconds while everything downloads. The file you're getting is a zip package that contains everything you need to run AI2Word successfully. Once the download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and unzip the file. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see three items: the Pandoc installer setup, the AI2Word by Zimist Coded installer, and a README file with additional details. We'll start with Pandoc. Double-click the Pandoc installer to begin. Follow the on-screen instructions, just like I'm doing here. It's a simple installation, but it's very important because Pandoc handles the final export to Word and HTML behind the scenes. Next, let's install AI2Word itself. Double-click the AI2Word installer to start the process. Again, follow along as I install it. The app will automatically configure all the required packages so you can convert your AI content smoothly without any extra setup. When the installation finishes, a desktop shortcut will be created for you. You can open the app either by double-clicking that shortcut or by searching for AI2Word in your Start menu. AI2Word is now fully installed and ready to use. You can start converting your AI content to Word or HTML while maintaining perfect formatting and clean math equations. The interface is simple, clean, and easy to understand, with plenty of options to customize your output. Let me quickly demonstrate. I'll copy some content from ChatGPT, paste it into the app, and export it. And as you can see, the conversion is clean, fast, and accurate. Everything looks exactly the way it should. If you notice anything that needs improvement, feel free to let me know so I can work on it. Also, make sure you keep the app updated whenever a new version is released so you get the latest features and improvements. More tutorials on how to use AI2Word will be uploaded very soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps us continue building more powerful tools like this. I'll see you in the next one.